Still editing PDF files one by one? Imagine having 50 reports to compress, 100 resumes to organize, or dozens of client documents to watermark, all before a deadline. Sounds exhausting, right? What if you could process all of them in just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you exactly how the Batch Process tool by VelaPDF can save you hours of repetitive, time-consuming work and completely transform the way you handle documents. Before we dive in, let me quickly introduce VelaPDF. VelaPDF is a powerful online PDF toolkit that gives you everything you need to manage your documents, all directly from your browser. We're talking PDF compression, file conversion, OCR text recognition, watermarking, merging, page organization, password protection, and even full workflow automation. No complicated software, no expensive subscriptions. Just open your browser and get to work. What is Batch Process? Now, let's talk about the star of today's video, the Batch Process feature. Batch processing means applying the same action to multiple PDF files simultaneously. Instead of opening each file, making changes, saving, and repeating that process over and over again, VelaPDF automates the entire workflow for you in one single step. It's faster, smarter, and incredibly efficient, especially when you're dealing with large volumes of documents on a regular basis.
Head over to VelaPDF.com and open the Batch Process tool. You can upload several files at once, which is exactly where the real power begins. Once your files are uploaded, it's time to choose what you want to do with them. You can compress multiple PDFs to reduce their file size, convert documents to different formats, add custom watermarks to protect your content, organize and rearrange pages, or even apply password protection to an entire batch of files, all in one go. Once everything is set up exactly the way you want it, simply click the Process button. When the processing is complete, all your finished files are ready to download instantly. You can save them to your device with just one click and pick up right where you left off. Real-world use cases. Let's look at who benefits most from this tool. Students can compress multiple assignments before submitting them online, saving storage and upload time. Businesses can organize and protect financial reports or legal contracts in bulk. Freelancers can watermark client deliverables all at once before sending them out. HR teams and recruiters can manage and sort large collections of resumes quickly and efficiently. No matter what industry you're in, if you work with PDFs regularly, this tool is built for you.
Why use it? The biggest advantages of VelaPDF's batch process tool come down to three things: speed, automation, and convenience. Everything runs directly in your browser, which means zero software installation, zero setup time, and zero compatibility issues. It works on any device, from anywhere, at any time. You save time, reduce errors, and stay focused on what actually matters in your work. Ready to simplify your PDF workflow? Try the Batch Process tool today at VelaPDF.com and experience the difference for yourself. It's fast, free to get started, and available right now in your browser. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. We cover the best tech tools, productivity tips, and AI tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.